Headphones or earphones, despite appearing as early as the 1920s, have continued to be an important accessory that you shouldn't leave home without. Nevertheless, like video games that cause violence and television sets that make you blind, headphones too are subject to a wide variety of myths and misconceptions. Although, unlike violent video games, headphones or earphones clearly do not have any polarizing opinions among users. Nevertheless, we are thankful to the creators of this technology, and being a person who cannot live without my earphones, it would be worthwhile to debunk all the myths related to this. Therefore, in this episode of Freak Friday, we will debunk some of the most popular headphone and earphone myths. So without further ado, let's get started. On number 1, more expensive headphones always sound better. A common myth is that expensive headphones or earphones will always sound better. It may be true in some cases, but not always. It is common for you to think that way as you spend more money on the product. Sometimes a cheaper product might give you a better quality. It is really about choosing the right one irrespective of the price. The high-end products do come at a higher price, but that does not always make them the best. Well-known brands endorsed by multiple celebrities but with mediocre sound quality. Since technology is evolving, new and better products are entering the market. With enough time and research, you can find a great set of headphones that sound awesome without paying for brand tags. Number 2, noise cancelling will remove all noise. It's a popular misconception that noise cancelling headphones can block out any sound around you. People purchase them in the hopes of dimming the din of kids at play, loud talking office mates, the barking dog next door, and airplane engines. Active noise cancelling headphones can certainly be helpful in cancelling out low-pitched noises from your surroundings such as wind, road noise, etc. However, voices and conversations tend to be higher-pitched random noises which you may still hear despite wearing your brand new noise-cancelling headphones. If you require complete silence to study or sleep, then noise-cancelling headphones may not provide the results you want. No matter which noise-cancelling headphones you get, from most to least expensive, they won't completely block out certain noises. Number 3, all headphones offer the same volume. This is absolutely wrong. There are different kinds of earphones and headphones, and the volume of each product differs based on the companies and designers. Among the many differences between headphones, how efficient they are is one of them. Perhaps one headphone offers you a comfortable listening volume at 60%, whereas some other headphone may do the same at 80%. As a matter of fact, the headphones that are less efficient, the 80% in this example, consume more power and will drain your portable's battery faster. Number 4, every headphone fits every ear. Definitely not, as we all already know that the ear size and shape of every individual is different. What fits me might not fit you. They are actually like fingerprints. A product that is well designed might not render the perfect fit that you expect. You need to try the product to know if it fits you and provides the sound quality that you actually intend to experience. In the case of misfit headphones, you probably will not enjoy good quality sound. However, the ear cups on headphones are often made with a foam, which is a material that changes shape easily after uses. Once you have used them long enough, they naturally mold themselves to your ear shape for a better fit. Number 5, hearing impact. The common myth is that the headphones and earphones will destroy your hearing ability, but this is not entirely true. Your ears are prone to damage due to the long exposure to loud sound, and the damage is not due to the type of earphones or headphones you use, but the intensity of the sound frequency. That means hearing problems appear only when you regularly listen to music at a volume that exceeds the permissible level. Number 6, earphones with quad driver are better. People believe that earphones with quad drivers are better than those with a single or dual drivers. It's not true in all cases. It depends on many factors. A pair of single driver earphones has a few limitations, and for this reason, companies include multiple drivers on each side. In such products, the incoming audio signal is split into two or more paths based on the number of drivers used, and each path is optimized for a specific frequency range. Still, there is no guarantee that a multi-driver earphone will render a better performance than the ones with a single driver. So that's it for today's video. If you have any questions or myths that you want to debunk, do share with us in the comment section below. Also, you know the drill. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.